Greetings. Welcome to the Asana Kitchen with Sarah Hatcher today as a guest. Welcome, Sarah. And we're going to look at Dhanurasana. Okay, so remember that the essence of the pose is found in every step. So there's a asana principle that I call the swarupa, or intrinsic essence of the pose. So it's the very seed of it. It's like if you removed everything extraneous or superficial, what would you find at the very core of that? And what's cool about the essence is that you can find it at the most baby step of the pose to the most advanced. That's why you value the essence, because you don't need to go all the way to the advanced stage of a pose to actually get its essence. It's elusive what is the essence. You have to hunt for it. It's like hidden beneath the surface. So for Dhanurasana, to me, the essence is in weighting your belly, so stamping down into the earth through the belly, lifting the legs, and making a bow shape with the spine. If you watch Sarah in this video, you'll see she captures the essence in every step. Okay, and that's what you're looking to do. We start with the foundation. And in this posture, it's an unusual foundation. So it's your belly. Okay, and it's the whole belly when you're working for the classic position. So that's from where your rib cage starts, from your diaphragm all the way to your pubic bone. You're going to look for the essence of the pose first, which is, starts with the foundation, so belly on the ground, and then bend your knees and make your heels vertical over the knees. And lift your legs. So lift the feet, the ankles, the shins, the knees, the thighs to the maximum height. Okay, and so this is one of the things you want to work on in your Dhanurasana, to get the maximum leg work, leg height, leg action. Okay, and then lift your head off the ground, but keep your belly down, Sarah. Okay, and then lift your arms off the ground. And reach back through the arm. Find your armpit chest. Okay, so from the very upper chest, and lift your thighs equal to your armpit chest. So Sarah, go back. See, now your chest is higher than your thighs. So go down a little bit. Put your head just clear your head barely off the ground. All right, now lift your head, staying forward. Lift your head up. Yeah. Okay. Now reach up with the legs and reach back with the arms. And no, don't catch. Resist the temptation. Okay, come down and rest. Okay, so I'm purposely showing you this exercise not to catch. And you can see it's very tempting, because when you catch, it's a big help. But you want to train yourself to use your whole body to do Dhanurasana. So go up again, Sarah, but don't catch. So your hands are right near your legs, just temptingly close, but you don't quite do it. And then compare your thigh lift to your upper chest lift and match them. And in order to match them, you got to lift legs first, then chest. Legs first, then chest. So this is a beautiful exercise right here. And this, to me, is the essence of Dhanurasana. Okay, come down and rest. So it's a very tiring thing, and you can make a drill out of that. To excellent strengthening benefit and creating mobility in the spine. So do it, Sarah. Come up to that peak of that action that you had been doing. Go ahead. And back down. And again. Back and forth with the rhythm. Yeah, but notice your chest. See, the chest is winning. You're in a little tug-of-war between the thighs lifting and the chest lifting, and you want equal. So it means the legs have to come first, even when you're using rhythm. Go ahead and do it. So you're Go. So when you come up, lift your legs, reach back through your arms, and then lift your chest. And again, and combine them as much as possible. Yes, again. Okay, super. All right, so there's two exercises here. One is that rhythm of practicing the transition, and then the other is just to hold that position without catching your feet. Go ahead and come up and hold. Yes. All right, and then catch your feet. And that's right, and dig that leverage that you get and pull on your legs with your arms and send your thighs higher. Stay right on your belly. It's a beautiful position. And you can alternate between flexing the ankles and pointing the toes. And do it with a rhythm, Sarah. Flex and point. And flex and point. And when you point, send the legs a little higher. Okay, and then come down. Okay, so that is it in a nutshell. And one thing though, if you're having a hard time keeping your whole belly on the ground, which is common, often you'll end up back, then you can take a little blanket under your pelvis. So Sarah, grab a blanket and you're putting that only on the pelvis. So your belly is in front of the blanket towards the ground. Right, Sarah, show the belly on the blanket, scoot back, back. Yeah, so, and go down. Yeah, so you don't want this. And then also go way forward, exaggerate it, all the way onto your legs. Yeah, that's too far. Okay, so you've got to find the middle point where your frontal hip bones are just on that support. Well, thank you, Sarah. And thank you for joining me for this installment of the Asana Kitchen.